Now we're going to proceed to do the loads part, but first we had to create a point. So we select wireframe and plot erase. You had to write what's exactly here to plot this way. Okay, and we make a zoom here. As you can see, I'm going to geometry to point and arc center, and my curve list is gonna be this one. And this one. Is for all. So now we got a point here. We either have to have a point here and one on the back, because with the one on the back we are creating our card, our new card. So we make sure we also create a point at the back. So I'm going back here and we're going to select this one. So now I have 2 points. Okay, now I'm going to create a card, 3 point. For the origin, I'm going to select the one on the back. For the point on axis 3, one front, and point 1, 3, we select this one. Now we got our new card. We make sure we leave this one as cylindrical, and then we apply. So now our card 4 is gonna be the one that we're going to use. Now we got 2 fields located in, okay, I believe it was, okay, here in fields. You can either select this one. So we create a spatial and here PCL function. Here we're gonna write sine of theta. And we select scalar, yep, real, and we're gonna select curve 4 that we're using. Here we have to write sin r in parentheses, and then we click apply. So now we created the field. After we got to loads, and now we gotta create. I'm gonna select this view. I'm gonna select some shaded. And now I'm going to loads to create a pressure from element uniform, and our name is gonna be pressure load. We click in input data, and here we're gonna put this. We select here sine theta. Now we have to put it, we have to have it here. We go clay, and okay, we select the applicant region. For the applicant region, we select geometry, we click solid faces are gonna be, I'm going again to wireframe, and for the solid faces I'm gonna choose this one. They're gonna be for this one, this one, this one, and this one. We click add, and okay, then we click apply. Now we got our pressure acting in here in the holes. After we analyze it, and we have to see that the right values are here, we can proceed now to create a, here again in loads, create displacement of nodal. We're gonna name it at fix at washers, and input data, we put translations of 0, 0, and 0. Select OK. For applicant region, we're going to select a few holes. So we make sure we get this view. Now we go to smooth shade it again. We are going to select 8 different faces. So let's make sure we select them. Okay. First, I have to select in here in, let me see the name, in surface or face, so we can select use the surface we want. So here, geometry, we select the surfaces. We have to make sure to select them right. And we click add, OK, and apply. Now we got here the fixed parts we want. Now we go again to wireframe to the next part. Now we go here to loads again, and we select plot markers, and we make sure they are here. We select them, and we had to select current viewport, and yes, default group selected. If it's not, make sure you select it and click apply. Okay, yes, and that's it for forces. Now we're gonna do the analysis part, but first we make sure we had this with shaded icon, the view, and we go to load case to modify load cases. Okay, cannot see this part. Action, load cases, we select modify. We select default from load case, and we're gonna view this window where we can make sure that the loads are assigned where we wanted. We wanted the pressure load, yes, the pressure, and the fixed washer as a displacement restriction. And yes, we just wanted to check this, and we cancel. Now we go to the analysis part. We go to analysis here. We're going to analyze a entire model and full run, and we click here on translation parameters. We make sure that this part we have XDB and print for data output, since we got a different version from the tutorial. Um, our patron here is gonna make it anyways. So you got the newest version. You won't see that part of of what you are looking for. So yes, we click OK. And for solution type, we make sure we have linear static, and we click OK, and then we click apply. The problem here is that since I don't have the required license, I cannot do the whole analysis. So the student's license only let me do it this far. So I will do a try to continue the tutorial, but if I can, I will stop the video. As you can see, there is a error because the meshing we did previously will not work with our current version. So yes, we can get this far, but what this practice asks us, um, it was that the pressure we put here at the at these holes, uh, they were supposed to make the anchor like this one go to the center and this one other again to the center. I will try to put a picture if I can of how it should look. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole tutorial and the analysis I can get to do. But as you can see, it's very easy and you can try it for sure. So thank you for watching.